20.
That time check was brought to you by PCSO, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.
ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma, nasangkap ito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Ako si Jigo Manicad, broadcast journalist at news anchor. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be Extraordinary with MX3.
Magandang kalusugan po! Si Ate Chat Ramirez de Luna po ito. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong makinig sa Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Araw-araw, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, sa ganap na alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 6. At pag Sabado, sa ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 9. Dito, sa ating paboritong himpilan, DWWW 774 sa ating talapitan. Mas maganda nang nag-iingat sa kalusugan dahil mangal magkasakit. Magastos po! Ate Chat, Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Maraming salamat po!
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. I got my first real six-string.
Brian Adams, Roll with the Punches Tour 2026. Performing his greatest hits and more, live at the Mall of Asia Arena, January 31st. Brian Adams, live in concert. Book now at smtickets.com. Presented by Will Rose Live.
Hello, Philippines. It's Brian Adams. See you all soon.
Life is short, so let's make it sweet. Ako si Jojo Javier, isang pastry chef. Physically challenging ang trabaho ko. Worth it kapag nakikita kong happy at satisfied ang clients ko. I feel inspired to work every day. MX3 Capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
Muli nating balikan ang doctor's orders sa DWWW 774, your clinic on the air.